okay. Not so urgent. It's okay, I'll deal with it. Come. यार यहाँ पे ये सिस्टम बड़ा गड़बड़ है, यहाँ पे टॉयलेट नहीं होते यार लोगों के शॉप्स पे। ये है पार्किंग टिकट। How much? 50 for 30 minutes, no? My wife is super smart, huh?
So fruits are very expensive.
ट्रामें चल रही हैं, ट्राम का स्टेशन है। भाई घी जो है ना 2500 रुपए किलो है। So we are heading towards the lake nearby.
Solikon is there.
This is?
Solikon.
ये लेक है भाई यहाँ की। देख लो, मजे ले लो। So here we are at my meeting place, which I will tell you later on why we are here. Good morning people. So welcome back once again, a new day, a new beginning, new life. लोग अपने बच्चों को लेके जा रहे हैं घुमाने टहलाने स्कूटर पे। So आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं ज़्यूरिक। We are going to Zurich. There is some work, कुछ काम है हम लोगों को। अपना मेरी एक अपॉइंटमेंट है। किस चीज़ को लेके है इसके बारे में मैं डिटेल्स बाद में बताऊंगा, एक बार काम पूरा हो जाएगा तो। पर बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, मतलब एक वन ऑफ द दिस बाइक नाइस। सो है, इसी काम के सिलसिले में जा रहे हैं। और ऊपर से इसको भी कुछ काम था, इसने कहीं पे अपने कपड़े वगैरह पुराने दिए हुए थे बेचने के लिए, तो वहाँ से पैसे वगैरह कलेक्ट कर लेंगे। और बाकी एक और जगह इंडियन कोई शॉप है वहाँ पे, दे हैव अ इंडियन शॉप, सो मे बी विल सी इफ वी वांट टू बाय समथिंग, यू नो, एंड देन व्हाइल कमिंग बैक विल गो टू दिस अपॉइंटमेंट प्लेस वेयर आई हैव अपॉइंटमेंट एट 3। अभी टाइम हो रहा है बहरहाल 12:15। सो हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक फॉर अस टू रीच ज़्यूरिक?
There where we have to go, 29 minutes.
In Zurich? Or the appointment place?
There where we have to go in Zurich.
In Zurich, good. 29 minutes, no? Not that 30 minutes. So cool. So yeah, we are having a plenty of time, and this is the. What is this? Why there's so many young people here? Apprenticeship you told me, no? They have
Yeah, it's over there. Here, because Migros is here,
And if
no?
you see, this is Vaticon station, railway station. On the left hand side, the red train you can see.
And
circle है.
school is over here, so
School is here.
maybe they come from this
So
school.
maybe they come from the school. बस बाकी सब बीच में मिलते रहेंगे, बताते रहेंगे, जीवन की गाथा है। ये यहाँ का मेन सर्कल है। ये देखो, ये है स्टेशन वेटिकॉन। एकदम शांत सा स्टेशन है भाई। और ये देखो यहाँ काम कर रहा है, ये मजदूर है।
There it's Migros.
This is Migros.
Say fresh papayas,
हाँ।
but it's a mango on the poster, and then they say, or maybe also mangoes. And then it's
That's
written
funny.
down. It's written we have both.
Funny, huh?
They all, yeah, most
We were just playing,
advertisement.
messing with you.
It's like funny.
हाँ, देखो यहाँ सिग्नल पे रुक जाना चाहिए भैया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे चालान जो है ना बहुत बड़ा है। What's the penalty if you cross the signal? If you jump?
250 Swiss francs, 25,000
That
rupees.
means in India 25,000 rupees. समझ रहे हो? और यहाँ की पुलिस बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है, यहाँ के लॉज जो है ना बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है, मतलब।
And in Zurich, for example, they have cameras, so
Yeah.
it gives a flash. They
Yeah.
make a picture and then they send it
और
home.
सीधा तुम्हारे हाँ
It
मतलब।
happened to me once, and
Yeah?
I was thinking it's my thing, like
document, one of
my
the document.
line,
हाँ,
but actually I was watching another light because
Oh my
I
God.
got.
yeah, things
Yes.
can happen, mistakes can happen sometime when you have। वैसे वेटिकॉन भी यहाँ की मतलब अच्छी शहर है, पर छोटा शहर है वेटिकॉन। ज़्यूरिक जो है वो बहुत बड़ा शहर है। So like not compare to, you can't compare with the Bombay or Delhi, but still area wise, but it's
No, area wise not, people wise
people
not,
wise not।
nothing you can
मतलब तुम समझ
compare.
लो पूरे स्विट्जरलैंड की जो आबादी है ना वो 80-90 lakhs है। 8.9 million, no? 9 million, let's say.
Yeah, let's say 9
The whole
million.
Switzerland population is 9 million. That is according to Indian calculation around 90 लाख। समझ रहे हो? यही है, बाकी रोडे तो एकदम चकाचक है इधर पे। मतलब लगता है कि डेवलप्ड सिटी में हो, डेवलप कंट्री में हो, मतलब। course, it's not the same.
If you are not, because here you can go also alone. You don't need to have this
Yeah.
course done for safety and all this, because then you cannot go. If you
लो भाई देखो ज्यूरिक की ट्राम. So finally we are in Zurich. Sort of.
Zurich Seebach.
Zurich Seebach. Which bank?
To make an account for you.
But I think they will make my account after the documentation is done.
Oh yeah, true.
They can't make it before.
Sure,
Even
sure,
health insurance. Everything will happen once I have my ID. But
But not
it's
so
okay.
urgent.
Not so urgent. It's okay. I'll deal with it. Come. Like
Okay,
yesterday. तो भाई ये जगह है. This is where we are. Zurich main market. This is a main market in Zurich, right?
No.
No, this is not even a main market.
This is this is like a part of Zurich, but
This is
it's
like
an
a part.
outside park of Zurich.
Ah,
You
okay.
almost crashed.
No, you picked it up.
I picked it up. Yeah.
I know. So I didn't crash. That means no.
You almost, I said, almost.
Not even almost, baby.
Okay. My phone?
I gave you everything.
I gave it to you because I was there, no?
You gave it to me.
Talking and-
Then it
yeah.
must be with me. Okay,
Because
yeah.
now
we have to
this
put
is-
GPS. Maybe she don't know, because of course she don't know. Check the Indian. So now we are heading to Indian
Bazaar.
shop. It's already one, huh? Maybe they have a P there, no?
Yeah, we hope.
हैं? यार यहाँ पे ये सिस्टम बड़ा गड़बड़ है. यहाँ पे टॉयलेट नहीं होते हैं यार लोगों के शॉप्स पे. You think they don't have a toilet here? Huh?
Yeah, but love, that's like for them. The people, they don't share the toilets, you know? With
I will just stand and do it. I will not even sit. Maybe from next time I should come with a bottle. Okay. You want me to hold it?
Yeah,
And
please.
keep telling you left, right, left, right. So 4 minutes, 300 meter, baby. We should park our car here only. Why we are going?
I cannot park it here, okay?
Okay, fine. Let's see. Maybe they have a parking.
But I think it's back. We have to.
Yeah, it is back. So we have to figure out from where we have to take a U-turn. Okay, bye bye. Brutik.
Boutique.
Yeah. Whatever.
Now bus is coming. And train and everything. You know what I do?
You take a right. I just hope it's not one way, huh?
No, it's not.
Okay, good. ये है parking ticket. How much? 50 for 30 minutes, no?
50 Rappel.
50 rupees, that means 50 rupees. Do you have change?
Yeah.
So भाई ये यहीं पे सुपर मार्केट में आए हैं हम लोग. I hope they have everything what we need. That's it? You don't get a slip or something?
No,
How they know you paid for your car?
because I pressed number 3.
Huh? That's a parking spot. Oh, that's interesting. Smart. My wife is super smart, huh?
Not that I'm smart. They do that smart, no? Look, here's Indian restaurant as well.
Yeah, they have a masala dosa also there. Something like this. Okay. Chale?
Yeah.
They have raw banana also to make chips. Dragon. Oh,
890 rupees.
one.
So fruits are very expensive.
Yeah. But the apples are really good. Maybe we could take apple from here actually. There, minimum is 2 in Migros and all. And this apple looks nice. Even oranges looks nicer here. This we can see ghee and oil.
Ghee. Or coconut oil. We also check.
You want coconut oil? I'm not sure if I want coconut oil.
Mustard oil is here.
Yeah, all the oils is here. We just see the price, know how much it is. It's not written, no?
Yes, good.
That's no. भाई साहब ऐसे शॉपिंग हो गई है. देखो ट्रामें चल रही हैं. ट्राम का स्टेशन है. लोग रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. And we got quite a lot of things. We got atta, rice, 5 kg, भाई घी जो है ना 2500 रुपये किलो है. 24.90 स्विस फ्रैंक इट वाज, राइट? घी 21, सो अराउंड 2100 रुपये. और छोड़ यार, बिना घी के ही चल लेगा काम. घी घर में बना लेंगे. बट सही है. 45 स्विस फ्रैंक वी स्पेंट.
So next time we just take ghee from there.
Yeah, we see.
Ramaditi's ghee.
Ramaditi ghee, like 4-5 kg. We take 5 kg of ghee only with us. And ये है कुछ माहौल ज़्यूरिख का. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं, वो है करीबन यहाँ से 28 मिनट की दूरी पे. और हमारा अपॉइंटमेंट टाइमिंग है 3 बजे का. इट वाज 3 PM बट वी आर अर्ली, वी गॉट फ्री अर्ली. सो नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स देयर. आई थॉट मे बी वी स्टॉप बाय समवेयर इफ वी फाइंड अ नाइस प्लेस. देयर इज अ नाइस लेक, सो लेट्स सी. You want to say anything?
No.
She's looking so good, huh? With that trench coat and all, it's super nice. Like, wow, yeah, Hollywood.
Yeah,
baby.
now it's like
Hollywood, baby,
no,
Hollywood.
no Indian clothes anymore.
Yeah,
I do not know if I'm right here. I'm not.
you're right here. No, you're wrong.
Scharf rechts auf Umstraße,
It says you
dann
can
rechts abbiegen auf Nansenstraße.
Oh no.
Rechts abbiegen auf Nansenstraße, dann rechts abbiegen
Now
auf
it says-
Dörfli-Straße.
Right, from here. Again, we are roaming around this clothes shop only. No, that's a different one.
No, it's just because there is. Oles,
Oh,
you
bhai,
have seen the
susu,
photo?
Rechts abbiegen auf Dörfli-Straße, Route 4.
Right.
Yeah, now we are again here.
सुसु लगी थी. और बेटा अच्छी किस्मत ये थी कि वो बंदा जो इंडियन था उस शॉप में, उससे मैंने बोला भाई टॉयलेट है बता दे. तो ही शोड मी द पर्सनल टॉयलेट एंड आई वेंट देयर लाइक ओह माय
It's very
गॉड.
nice that he showed you this.
बट दिस
Yeah, this is typical
कॉमन थिंग.
Zurich. You see this? And there it's opera house, but you will see it because we just make this quick round,
ओके.
then you will see it. But this calls Bellevue. This
Bellevue.
place, Bellevue. And look here,
Bei Rutokai wenden.
Großmünster, Fraumünster und I don't remember.
Okay, maybe something. We have to take a U-turn from here, eh?
Yeah.
ये खत्म हो जाए निकले तो हम U-turn ले रहे हैं यहाँ से.
But next time when we come, we will have time. On
Dem
Monday.
Straßenverlauf von Route 17 noch 3 Kilometer folgen.
ये रही यहाँ की लेक. So this lake connects with the river, no?
This is the river
That's
here,
why cruise comes.
and this is the lake.
What's the name of the river?
This is the Limmat,
Liman.
and also this it calls Limatke.
And we have to go straight, eh?
Yeah.
So we are heading towards the lake nearby because our appointment is at 3 and we are still quite early. We still have 45-50 minutes. So we'll chill here for some time and then
Yeah,
maybe
I
we'll do
want to
Shunya
be-
here.
Yeah, but I want to
Let's
be earlier actually, huh?
Yeah, 5-10 minutes earlier, maybe 5-10 minutes earlier we'll go. So rest is something like this, bro. Now I cannot take bath in this lake.
You can. It's just a little cold.
Yeah.
But for sure we can. My brother goes, I guess, every day.
Yeah. Oh, is this the same lake?
It's the same lake.
But he's across.
He's
This
at
one?
this side
Ah.
and much more down.
So that's why I keep seeing his stories. It's lake. I thought it's some other lake, yaar. I didn't
No,
know that
same
he is
lake.
at this lake. That's incredible. Lovely.
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely. And I can see the Alps. They are the Alps, right?
Yes.
Swiss Alps. सामने क्रूज व्रूज भी चलता है. आओ घूमो मस्त. अभी तो मैं लेक भी दिखाता हूँ अच्छे से, कैमरे से दिखाऊंगा, प्रॉपर शॉट लूँगा, अभी जाऊँगा वहाँ पे अच्छे से दिखाऊंगा, टेंशन मत लो.
So you see this church there? Solikon is there.
This is
Solikon.
ये लेक है भाई यहाँ की. देख लो, मज़े ले लो.
This there, it's Uetliberg.
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 And look at this swan. He's so chilling. He's swan only, right? Yeah, that's a swan. His wings are open. रेलवे स्टेशन के बगल में गाड़ी चल रही है.
Tüfebrunner.
Tüfebrunner.
Nach 200 Metern links abbiegen
wrong
auf
turn.
Belleriefstraße, Route 17.
This is Libreville. The station.
Tüfebrunner.
Tüfebrunner. That's a railway station, and this is the road. How cool it is, no?
Links abbiegen auf Belleriefstraße, Route 17. Gwet, my wife Gwet. My wife is superstar. I just told her not Nach
wrong.
200 Metern Ausfahrt Richtung Dufourstraße.
But that's so funny, huh? Because here this is Solikon on the right.
Yeah, but it's up. If not, then it would say this.
Yeah.
But because it makes like this, no?
Ausfahrt Richtung Dufourstraße.
Okay, that's my mistake. I'm sorry.
It's okay, it can happen. For this, I told you, we don't wait so long and we don't.
Okay, so finally we are here, and this is where we have to park. Oops.
This is a little bit strange parking.
Never mind.
How should I park here?
Take it a little right and make it a straight. Yeah. Good. I think it's good. Finally we are here, and
I just leave it like this.
yeah, I mean it should be okay, I guess. Wait.
Okay.
Now we need a handbrake.
Here you need.
So here we are at my meeting place, which I will tell you later on why we are here. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? It's fine. We are inside. Yeah, we are inside this, no? As far as you're inside, this is all good.
Yeah, also a little short actually.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in. Let's see how my meeting goes. Where do we have to go? Here? Here only? ओके भाई साहब, तो ऐसा है, अपॉइंटमेंट हो गई, हो गया. बाकी बताएंगे, बाद में बताएंगे, अभी नहीं बताएंगे कुछ भी.
Also your phone is inside.
My phone is also inside. I have to put a belt on first.
So
यही था ऑफिस बगल में.
Want to go? Can you do that after?
Now we have to go because we said that we are going. So she will inform them, no?
Yeah.
So we have to go. Do you want me to put it on GPS?
I have it here.
Okay, so from here we are going to another place. And today we both are fasting. She also did not eat anything. This piece of cake. Okay, it says 45 minutes. And
Now.
because she said the traffic would be there, so I took appointment early. And
And now we have this. Yeah, but
it's okay. Chal, we'll see. It's 45 minutes. And the traffic. Okay. It's whole red line, you see?
I think I have to turn here. Right?
I have no idea, baby. No, maybe not. No. See what it says. दूसरी लोकेशन पे आ गए हैं। आप देखते हैं यहाँ कितना टाइम लगता है। बताऊंगा नहीं, जब हो जाए काम तब बताऊंगा। फर्दर I mean, okay, you can park wherever you
I
find.
need to park somewhere, no?
There was a parking. I think next to this car I see a parking.
Yeah, but I don't know if I can park here, no?
भाई साहब बीवी को ढूंढना पड़ गया क्योंकि वो चली गई थी। मैंने उसको भेज दिया था। एक्चुअली मुझे लगा था कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा मेरे को टाइम लगेगा, तो मैंने उसको बोला कि तू चली जा क्योंकि मुझे 40 मिनट लगेंगे। पर मैं 10 मिनट में फ्री हो गया। वहाँ पे बंदे बैठे हुए थे, कुछ बताऊँगा किस लिए। तो मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की, यार मेरे को प्लीज़ जाने दो, मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट है। तो बेचारों ने मेरे को जाने दिया और इसलिए हो गया अपना। तो बाकी अभी हम अपनी पत्नी से मिलने जा रहे हैं। वो यहीं कहीं थी, यहीं कहीं मेरे को बोली थी, यहाँ कहीं आई थी वो चेक करने। तो उसने मेरे को बोला यहीं कहीं मैं उसे मिलूँ मेन रोड पे। बट मेन रोड तो यही है भाई। तो पार्क करने अंदर तो नहीं आ गई कहीं? लेट्स सी, she was supposed to be here. Oh, maybe she went in. So let's see, maybe she'll come from here or she'll come from there, wherever. I'll just wait here. ज़्यूरिक में पहला अकेले एक्सपीरियंस भी हो गया। पहली बार ऐसे ना मेरा दिल धक 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 कर रहा था ज़्यूरिक में। मतलब जैसे वो गई ना तो मेरे को बड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा था। कह रहा अब आदत नहीं है ना कि उसके बिना कहीं जाने की। And there is she. You know, I was feeling so nervous without you.
Really?
Yeah,
Why,
I was so
my
nervous
love?
without you. I don't know. I just felt.
And
And then, yeah, it went well. It's okay.
so, what I said?
They said they'll get in touch with the